An FIR, or the First Information Report, sets the criminal law process into motion. Hi, my name is Sakshi Dholta. I am Assistant Professor Lloyd Law College, and in this video, we are going to talk about the lodging of an FIR. As the name suggests, an FIR under Section 154 of the CRPC is the first information that is provided to the police regarding a cognizable offence. Whenever such information, whether oral or written, is disclosed to the police, they are bound to record it. It may be noted that any person, whether victim or not, with such an information can furnish it to the police in any police station irrespective of the territorial jurisdiction. They can also file an EFIR for cognizable offences including rape, kidnapping, murder, death due to dowry, among others. However, if an information regarding a non-cognizable offence is disclosed to the police, they record it as an NCR.